at it again. Today we're back at the Boardwalk over in Irvine. We're doing some more graphics, distraction strips to protect people from walking into the glass, and some gradients and just some more frost film. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy the video.
It is sticky, but when it gets wet, it kind of takes a while to set up, put it on, let it sit for an hour or so. If it was like vinyl or something, then I could probably do it right now and it'd be fine.
For these doors right here, this entryway, we're actually working with frost. I actually like to work with frost a lot because it doesn't really put up that much resistance. It's easy to work with, it always looks nice. Okay, so it's day 2 of the Irvine Boardwalk job. Today we're working on the gym. We're gonna put up a custom gradient film, the yoga pilates room, like a little privacy. This particular film seems to be pretty delicate, so we just have to be careful as far as the install is concerned. So there we have it. That's another job well done. Finished up on some gradient film. Wasn't too bad. See you on the next one.
Adios.